Okay, what we're working on today is we're working on the 86 Corvette. What we're doing is we're installing the ECU, and the ECU is this thing right here. I just had mine rebuilt, reconditioned, restored, repaired, whatever you want to say. It's been redone. So the guy that rebuilt it said that he did find problems in it, and hopefully those will resolve the problems that I've been having with this car. We're going to go ahead and install it now. Where we're working at is we're in the footwell of the passenger side. And I have a mirror down there because I can't twist and look up there to see where I'm working at, so I use that to look up there and see where I'm at. And to remove this, you have to pull off this kick panel. I guess they call it a hush panel. There's 3 screws holding that on, if nobody's ever messed with it. And you remove that and you put it in the back there, get it out of the way. And then you go ahead and remove the 2 bolts. One right there, that are holding the bracket for the ECU to go back up in there. So we're going to go ahead and get started on reinstalling it. After I get it plugged in, I'll show you how it looks. Okay, that's how it looks when it's plugged in. We're going to go ahead and flip it up and stick it up in there now. That's how it looks when it's in there. You're looking at the mirror right now. That's how it looks while it's installed. So we're going to go ahead and put our hush panel back on. Okay, the hush panel is back installed. The ECU is installed. So now we got that taken care of. That's where the ECU goes, right in the footwell of the passenger side of an 86 Corvette.